Hello traders, it's time for the summary of the week. We had few trading sessions during this week, more than 8. I think we had more than 10 live trading sessions, not only at 9 and 2 p.m., but we had also Sunday crypto and on Tuesday, I think, and Thursday late afternoon also AI trading. So we done a lot of sessions this week, and I want to share with you my results, and I will tell you about results of Pavel and Pablo, and maybe Rafa also. So you can see my account over here. I'm using this account for live trading sessions only. Okay, so you can see all the trades. If I place the trades, you can see that on live trading session. If I hit stop loss, you can see that on live trading session. So this week, from Monday, the total profit on our live trading sessions on my accounts, on my trades, is $19,287. And I think this is pretty impressive. So I want to show you what we did this week. We're going to go through all the trades, all the stop losses, all the take profits, because we got everything in our journal. And also I will show you Pablo trades and Pavel trades from today. I'm not going to show you the whole week. I'm going to show you only my trades from whole week, and the rest from Pablo and Pavel from today. So guys, let's start from maybe Pablo and Pavel. So I'm going to first show you those trades. Today, Pablo opened the trades on our live trading session. Quick profit of $6,000. You can see right here, trade was open, full take profit of $6,000. Quick trade, because if you look at the time frame, this is 30 seconds time frame, guys. Yes, very low time frame. Quick profit, I think less than 2 minutes. So I think this is pretty impressive. And Pablo, this week, I think he made more than $30,000 on our live trading sessions. Okay, what else we have right here? Basic sell. Okay, the rest I will show you on my account. 1 second, guys. Let me just open the trading journal, which is here. Okay, so let's go through all the trades from this week. Okay, so trade history, and we want this week, so you can go through all of them, guys. Okay, you can see stop losses, you can see profits, but the small stop losses, you can see $200, $40, $200. This is break even. Okay, so I'm not counting this as a loss. This was break even. Because of the spread, the loss was a little bit bigger because this is big account, but these were break evens. Okay, so we can have a look at this one here first from the top. The plan was on crude oil to go down from this level right here. The trade was activated, but I've secured the trade after 1-to-1 moves. So the price went down, and I've secured the trade on break even. And the price came back up. That's why I hit break even with the small loss. Okay. That was the first one. Let's check another one, $40. This also break even. Look at the risk to reward ratio. It's quite big. Also, crude oil, we were using order flow to enter the position. Simple setup. And this is similar situation because the price went down, and after 1-to-1, I've secured the break even, and we got break even. So that's how it looks like. All right, another break even. So I'm not going to show you break even. We got loss. I want to show you loss, $1,000 of loss. This one here, we had very nice area using volume footprint. You can see risk to reward was 125. So very good risk to reward, but the price went through this area. They didn't stop, and I hit stop loss. That's okay. Don't worry about those setups, because my risk for those setups is 125. So even if I hit 7 stop losses out of 10, I'm still in profit, guys. That's a magic of risk to reward. All right, next one. Let's have a look at some profits, guys. $7,000 GBP USD, one of the best trades. Now let's have a look. That trade was open using our basic sell setup, smart money. So we were waiting for the price to enter liquidity zone. Then the price dropped, And I didn't open trade here, guys. That plan was made before, but when the price dropped and they left some imbalance behind, I've set pending order in this place to have better entry. And that trade gave me $7,000. That was pretty nice, and the entry was much better than this one here. So that was, I think, the best trade of this week. Yes, another $1,000 of losing trade. Don't have the screenshot. $2,000. This strategy is order flow. So we were using order flow to make profit on USD CAD, and you can see quick profit on this one, $2,000. Okay, what's next? We got $2,000 right here, $900. Let's have a look. Oh, this one, we secured the trade because the price dropped. The trade was activated, and we secured the trade. So not secured the trade. I closed the trade because of the news. News were coming, and I couldn't hold the position, so I closed with the small profit. I think that's pretty fair also. Okay, so what's next? $5,300 trade on USD CAD. Let's take a look. This trade was using a strategy basic buy from Smart Money Concept. The price went into liquidity zone from Asian session. Simple trend line, guys. Breakout, retest, enter the position after signal candle. 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Very simple setup, very powerful. Another profit of more than $5,000. Okay. All right, so we got 5,000. Another trade. This one is from order flow strategy. We can see the trade was placed right here and take profit after maybe 30 minutes, maybe 40 minutes on crude oil. Crude oil is working very well on this strategy. Trust me. Today we got another profit on crude oil, the same strategy. Okay, another trade, basic sell, smart money concept, Euro USD. Let's take a look. This trade also, after liquidity grab, we were expecting the price to drop down, enter the position after the price reversed to this imbalance right here, enter to the position. That trade was placed on our live session. Every single trade actually was placed on our live sessions, but I've set pending order. So that was pending order activated, and after that price went straight down. That was pretty good, guys. Okay, that was Euro USD. What else? Today we had loss. I had loss on crude oil. Yes, I did. On crude oil. Yes, crude oil. Yeah, we wanted to go down. I've opened the trade to get to the target. Pending order was set in this place. So the trade was activated and we were halfway to take profit. But the price reversed and we hit stop loss. So unfortunately, no, but it doesn't matter. Sometimes, guys, we got stop losses, and that is loss of minus $2,848. And the last trade for today, I placed last trade on our session in the afternoon today using order flow. Let's have a look. This trade gave me $2,038. Quick trade also placed on the session, finish after the session. So it's not too bad today. Total profit for this week for me around $19,000. Pablo's got more than 30,000, and I think Pablo's got something around $20,000. So it's good, guys. Every week we got nice profits. We got some losing days. I think Monday was a losing day this week. So on Monday, I had 2 stop losses, small ones, in total for $2,000. But Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, no, today we lost. So 3 days this week in profit, 2 days losing days, and this week with 3 winning days and 2 losing days, we got profit of $19,287. Guys, I think this is pretty impressive. If you want to join our live trading sessions and you want to see how we trade live, you can do that. just subscribe this channel so you won't miss any session. And we got sessions on YouTube every day from Monday to Friday at 9 a.m. So we can come see how I trade, how I open positions. And later on at 2 p.m. we got sessions, but internal for our community. So sessions are on our Discord channel. But if you want to be part of our community and you want to have access to all our sessions, because we got more, we got afternoon sessions, crypto, AI, a Sunday crypto session, a lot of going on. You can join us, just write to us a message and we're going to explain you how it works. So guys, if you've never been to our session, please come on Monday. Next week, new opportunities, we're going to start fresh. So guys, thank you for today, thank you for this week. I wish you all the best. Have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Take care.